Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to change the blades on Japanese saws with 3 different style blades on them. The first one I'm going to do is the hook style of Japanese saw. This one has a hook that attaches it, so let's pop it out. What you want to do is grab the blade using either a thick glove or a rag, and then hit the handle onto a workbench. You'll see that it pivots like this, and you can take it out. I've bought a replacement blade, which came in this container, and I'm going to put this replacement blade in there. I'm going to push it as far as I can with my hand, and it looks like it went all the way in, so I don't have to hit it. If it doesn't go all the way in, you can flip it over and tap the handle of the blade in that direction. And now you have a brand new sharp blade. Another style that's very popular is the screw style. This holds the blade in with a screw. I'll just use a flathead screwdriver to unscrew this. And then the blade comes right out. And then to get the new one in, you just kind of slide it in from the side where there's a larger opening and massage it until it goes right in there. It should click when it's in place. And just put the screw back in. The third style is the traditional Japanese style, where it is wedged into the handle itself. This one you can get out by grabbing the blade with a rag and then taking a hammer and just hitting the handle like this. It has a long tang that goes inside the handle, and that's what holds it with friction. And then to replace it, or to put a new one in, you just insert the tang back into the handle, hang it upside down, and hit the bottom of the handle, and it should cinch right up. And there you go. That's how you replace the blade in 3 different styles of Japanese hand saws. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.